mad at me? Oh my gosh, it's Christmas! Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. Come on, come on, come on, come on. What's up YouTube? It's your girl Eb back with another video, and as y'all read that title, you probably seen that we need to check up on her basically. Okay, so if we post this video and you haven't heard from me still, just make sure things are okay, you know. So y'all, today I just thought of this freaking prank, y'all. So I have so much to do today. I just went to sleep at 8 o'clock, just got off work at 6, and now I'm back up at 10 because I'm finna wash my hair and I just have all these errands to do. Throw my niece's a party, Christmas party today with my sisters over here, so it's just gonna be a lot going on. And yeah, so he know that I have a lot going on. He know that I gotta get up early. I don't know if he's gonna be like rolling around on me or what he's going to do, but we're gonna see after this prank. Okay y'all, make sure before we get too far into this video that you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, tell everybody, and turn that I always mess up this part. Turn that post all notification bell on, and so you know when we drop in every single time, because we drop in bangers for y'all every single day, y'all. Like, I'm over here risking my life for y'all. I'm over here risking my life. Y'all, I've never done this prank before. Like, I'm so nervous because just pouring water on somebody in their sleep, I had me heated. Okay, I'll be ready to whoop anybody's ass. So yeah y'all, make sure we get too far into this video that you drop Team Eb in the comments, okay? Because your girl is doing real duty for y'all, okay? But without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. Look at the freaking bed, like, I'm still so scared. Hold on. I'm about to try to get him again. Bro, why did you just take all your clothes off and come lay in here? Just shine. Get up, get up.
Ebony, can you get the fuck on, bro?
Get up. You mad? Huh? Alright, y'all, your girl is still shaking, but I did the prank, okay? That was his reaction. That was the most silent reaction I ever seen before, okay? I hurried up and dropped to the floor because I just did not know what else to do. But, y'all, I don't know. I think he's a little irritated right now, so... yeah, y'all, we gonna see him. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell what? Everybody in your whole entire family, baby, everybody that you know, everybody that they know, to go tune into Eboni J, because we dropping bangers for y'all every freaking day, y'all. And I'm about to try to go get him because he is up now, y'all, but he in the bathroom per usual, daily duties, y'all know. So I'm about to go see how he feeling before I end this and see what he got to say. But y'all already know to drop Team Eb in the motherfucking comments, baby, because I got your boy again. Okay, that's how many points for me? You mad at me? Huh? Are you okay? You gonna say hi? You gonna say Team Eb?
What's up?